diameter and radius, right? That same formula we have to follow in this question. So same chapter number 8, cards and wheel, and our topic is complete the table given below. So firstly you need to observe this table. So in this table you can observe this number is given. In first row radius is given and in second row diameter is given. That means first number means first row you can observe number 1 2 centimeter radius is given and diameter is given 4 centimeter. So what is the meaning of this? That diameter is always double than this radius. So here 2 centimeter is given. So double of radius means double of 2 centimeter is of always 4 centimeter. Right? Now you can observe this remaining numbers that somewhere means in number 2 3 centimeter radius is given, but we need to find the diameter in number 2. That means blank is given. So we are filling this table by using the formula of diameter as well as of radius. So let's start number 2. In number 2 radius is given 3 centimeter. So firstly we will write like this. Radius is given 3 centimeter, right? And diameter we need to find. Right? So we are making blank. Now I told you that what is the formula of this diameter. So we are mentioning diameter as a capital D. So D is equals to 2 multiply R. D is equals to 2 multiply R. This is our formula of diameter. Now in this R means instead of R we are applying this value of radius which is 3 centimeter. So D is equals to 2 is same multiplication sign and instead of R we are writing this 3 centimeter. Now multiplication of 2 and 3, the 2 3s are 6 centimeter. Backside this centimeter you have to return. So D is equals to 6 centimeter, which is our answer. So it is always double than the radius. This is your answer. So the same answer I am writing here 6 centimeter, right? 3 centimeter radius and 6 centimeter diameter. Now remaining numbers we have to solve like this. Now check the number 3. In number 3, blank is given in the space of radius, right? And diameter is given opposite. So firstly, number 3 I am writing. Diameter is given 8 centimeter. So I am mentioning with the short form D. D is given 8 centimeter, and we have to find the radius. So small r I am mentioning, right? Now how to find radius? So which is the formula of radius? Radius is equals to D means diameter divided by 2, because radius is always half the diameter. So this formula we are applying. Now instead of D, which centimeter we have to write? This 8 centimeter. So 8 divided by 2. Now 2 4s are 8. That means 4 is our answer. So 4 centimeter is our radius. Right? 4 centimeter, half than the diameter. So I am writing here also 4 centimeter. Same method we have to apply in the next number. Number 4. In number 4, radius we are having which is 7 centimeter. So small r we are having 7 centimeter means radius, and diameter we need to find means capital D we are writing. Right? So for D means for diameter 2 multiplication and r means 2r, 2 into r. 2 multiply value of r 7 centimeter. So 2 sevens are 14 centimeter. Back side this unit should be written. So 14 centimeter is our answer. Understood? Number 5. See, it is very easy. You have to just follow the formula and you have to just put the value into it. Number 5. Radius we need to find and diameter is given 18 centimeter. So same formula we are using for the radius. R is equals to D by 2, means D divided by 2. So 18 means instead of D value we are writing 18. 18 divided by 2. So you all are aware about the table of 2, that 2 nines are 18. So we are getting our answer 9 centimeter. So R is equals to 9 centimeter. So half, we can say in other words that 18 is double than the 9 or 9 is half than the 18. So 9 centimeter is our radius. Now last is sixth number. 10 centimeter is radius, means radius is given 10 centimeter and we need to find diameter, means blank is given in the place of diameter. So number 6, radius we are having, R we are having 10 centimeter and diameter we need to find, means D we are finding, right? See, this details you need to write whenever you are finding this kind of sums. So D is equals to 2 multiply R. Instead of R, value we are writing 10 centimeter. So 2 tens are 20 centimeter. This is called how to write the sum with this perfection, with this formula also and with this details also, right? Whenever you are writing, whenever you are finding this kind of table. So 20 centimeter we are writing here as an answer. 20 centimeter. So now you can observe all the details, means all the filling the blanks we have filled in number 1, 2 up to 6. Wherever space is empty, right? So you can observe the table. Radius is always half than the diameter, or else diameter is always double than the radius. See, double of 2, 4, double of 3, 6. Opposite we can say like this. Half of 8, 4. Half of 14, 7. Half of 18, 9. In another words, you can say double than this 10 is equals to 20. So you have to remember this formula as well as these things, that radius is half the diameter and diameter is always double than the radius. And yes, whenever you are writing this formula, you can highlight this formula like this, right? D is equals to 2 into R and R is equals to D upon 2, D divided by 2. So this kind of sums will also come in higher grade, means whenever you will go in grade 5 and grade 6, right? So it will help to you more. This is a basic that you need to remember. So which is the formula to find the diameter and to find the radius? Again I am showing to you formula of radius. R is equals to D divided by 2. Radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. It will help to you to find the radius. And D means diameter stands for 2 multiply R. This is the formula to find the diameter. Diameter is equals to 2 multiply R. So with the help of these two formula, you can find the sums, right? Like this. R is equals to D by 2 and D is equals to 2 into R. So any details you put into it and you can find radius and diameter. So I hope that all you have understood this video very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.